spokesperson of the BJP, Dr. Anand Ranganathan, author, political scientist, Vivek Srivastava, political analyst, supports the left parties, Vivek Silas, national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, with me in the studios here, Tanveer Ahmed, political analyst. But my first question goes to Tehseen Poonawalla, supporter of the Congress Party. And Tehseen, I want to ask you, once again, saffron that shows a red flag to the Congress appears in the election rhetoric. I want to ask you, what's wrong with the color saffron? Yogi Adityanath becomes a terrorist because he wears saffron. Nobody wearing saffron is allowed in politics. Only people who wear white are allowed in politics. Mallikarjun Kharge, why would he use this every time against one community? Somewhere Bhagwa, Gerua, saffron and terror are all connected for you. Why Tehseen Poonawalla?
Namaskar Navika ji, thank you so much for having me on the show. As much as the BJP tries to divide Maharashtra, I want to tell you on your show, batega Maharashtra mein koi nahi, katega BJP ka vote. Now let me just answer 2 or 3 points that you raised, and I'll be very brief. Point number 1, nobody is against saffron, Gerua or any color. The fact of the matter is that one cannot use religion to propagate or to create fear mongering. Now let me just go back into mythology. Even Ravan had come as a sage. Even Kalnemi had dressed up as a sage. That doesn't mean they're right. Now I'm not comparing anyone. I'm just saying that just because saffron does not make it, it's your actions that count, and the actions of the BJP are divisive in nature. Now let me tell you who spoke about sun terror. A BJP minister. He continues to be a BJP minister. Sun terror is something spoken by the BJP ministers. BJP has spoken about it. But let me come to a larger point. You said that, Congress has accepted the demand or MBA that salaries of Maulanas and madrasas will be raised. Who's accepted the demand? The BJP raised the salaries of the madrasas before the Maharashtra election. Who's the one somebody comes, gives any list of demands, is it accepted? Yasin Malik's wife writes a letter to Rahul Gandhi, and I checked with Rahul. Rahul got no letter. The BJP spokespersons got letter. This business of trying to divide Maharashtra. Let me give you one more example. The Honorable Prime Minister comes to Maharashtra and says, Maharashtra Assembly, these MBA bins, 370 will go in Kashmir. How is it possible? This business of trying to divide Maharashtra will not work, like I'm saying. Batega koi nahi, katega sirf BJP ka vote. BJP may try Hindu Musliman. I'm making a prediction as I end here. I'm making a prediction. Because the BJP is desperate, next debate of yours in the next 3 days will be Pakistan, Dawood Ibrahim. The BJP is so desperate they're going to bring them into Maharashtra. Mark my words.
BJP is desperate, so Mallikarjun Kharge starts condemning saffron. He starts calling Yogi Adityanath a terror. Respond, Shehzad Poonawalla, I didn't understand the logic. BJP is desperate, so Mallikarjun Kharge speaks this language. What's the connection?
First of all, Tehseen's predictions on Haryana and Mr. Yogendra Yadav's predictions on Haryana I still remember, so I don't want to get into Tehseen's predictions. But having said that, हिंदुओं का और सनातन का अपमान यही तो कांग्रेस की पहचान. अरे भाई, आपने भगवा आतंक से लेकर आज भगवा आतंकी, क्योंकि कोई भगवा पहनता है. The same Congress, Sushil Kumar Shinde refused to call convicted terrorist Afzal Guru a terrorist. They say Mathadish is mafia, Sanatan समाप्त, Sanatan बीमारी, Ram Mandir प्राण प्रतिष्ठा is नाच गाना, Ram Mandir is बेकार, रामचरितमानस is potassium साइनाइड. एक बार मुझे बता दो, यहां पर बाकी भी लोग बैठे हैं, मौलवी और मदरसे को माफिया बोला है? और वहां पर तो हथियार के जकीरे भी मिले हैं. वी हैव सीन मेनी इंस्टेंसेस ऑफ मदरसास प्रमोटिंग टेररिज्म आल्सो, बट नोबडी विल से मदरसा इज इक्वल टू माफिया, मौलवी इज इक्वल टू माफिया. नोबडी विल से टोपी दाढ़ी पहनने वाले डोंट कम इनटू पॉलिटिक्स. इनफैक्ट मौलाना आजाद, हुज बर्थडे सेलिब्रेटेड एज नेशनल एजुकेशन डे, वाज द मौलाना एंड ही वाज ब्रॉट इनटू पॉलिटिक्स. किशनगंज देयर एमपी वाज फॉर अ लॉन्ग टाइम अ मौलाना. मौलाना कैन कम इनटू पॉलिटिक्स, पर भगवा या गेरुआ पहनने वाले पॉलिटिक्स में ना आए. दिस शोज द एंटी हिंदू माइंडसेट ऑफ कांग्रेस पार्टी. सेकेंडली, फॉर कांग्रेस पार्टी, 10% Muslim reservation is not communal or anti-Samvidhan. Supriya Sule said we want to give Muslim reservation. She has come on record and said it. 180 organizations saying that we will give the vote to MVA on the basis of Iman is not communal, but बटेंगे तो कटेंगे और एक रहेंगे तो safe रहेंगे is communal. So I want to expose Tehseen Poonawalla. This is the advertisement given by Congress parties Indira Gandhi and Rajiv Gandhi. And you know what the advertisement says?
That's 1984.
1984 से थोड़ा पहले. Just listen to the advertisement. First, they say these parties who come on caste lines, they don't see human beings as they see people as Brahmins, they see people as Thakur, Baniya, Harijan, Yadav, Sharma, Chaturvedi, and Singhs. They don't see Indians as Indians. They cast out a group of Indians as if they were cacti. For them, Jati was cacti. And lastly, they say that vote on merit, vote on equality, don't vote on caste and bondage. This stand was the stand that Congress party used to take, because at that time they used to say 1961 that आरक्षण समाप्त हो जाए. They used to say 1980 to 90 मंडल नहीं होना चाहिए. In AMU they ended the reservation of SC ST and gave it only to the Muslims. Today I have two questions. If you are for Samvidhan, Vivek ji, please tell me what is your stand on 370. If you are for Arakshan, Vivek ji, please tell me what is your stand on AMU.
Which Vivek ji are you referring to? Vivek Silas or Srivastava?
One is Vivek Islamist and one is Vivek Samajwadi. Now, whatever Vivek wants to take it, or there might be a competition between the two.
Okay,
And
Vivek.
thirdly, last Vivek को एक सवाल है, विवेक से जवाब देना कि मौलवी को कभी माफिया या आतंकी बोलेंगे क्या? Oh,
Vivek Srivastava.
Vivek Pro and Vivek Pro Max, both are there.
ओके देखिए अब
अच्छा, Pro Max जवाब
नहीं
दे
नहीं नहीं अब आप इस्लामी